Hello.
Hi. Hello,
Hi,
Dr.
Shweta.
Preeti. How are you?
Yeah, I'm very fine. Thank you, Shweta, for inviting me here. So
You
we
most
can,
welcome. Okay, let me introduce you all once again to everyone here. Dr.
yeah,
Preeti is a renowned dietitian. She's an MSc in home and food and nutrition, and she's practicing being a dietitian for 16 years. She indeed, from a personal, actually, I have been also following her. And to everyone out there, I would like to say she, personally believes in that holistic, simple, Ayurvedic approach towards dieting. It is not about those, fab diets or fancy diets. This is one thing I really admire about you.
thank you. Thank you very much, Shweta. I know that you're following and you're losing a little bit, but yeah, we are doing it. We are in a struggle
Yeah,
of doing it.
yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Let's
Let's,
start off. I just wanted to ask, what do you say about, importance of fitness for mothers, for us mothers, being after mothers, we have our responsibilities and, our shape, body shape, everything changes. Our life takes a roller coaster ride. So what do you
absolutely.
say? How important it is?
Yeah, it is very important when we are just discussing about mothers. So it is a very tough phase that we are going through. After the deliveries, our body shape also changes because hormonal changes are there. Our the surgeries are there. If there's a normal delivery also, then also there are so many complications.
Mhm.
So our weight also goes haywire, and we have so many concerns from in our body. Like weight issue is there. Sometimes we have hormonal issues after babies, and sometimes people develop diabetes also after the
Yes.
pregnancy, and thyroid is also developed because of this. So there are so many issues that come because we have so many problems after we have given birth to baby. But giving birth is a best thing that we ever happened to a mom.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
that
Yeah.
is the best thing. So that's
That is
why
the
it's not too worrisome. So we can easily take care, and we should first take care of our health, because if we take care of our health, our children, our family can easily be taken care of. What happens, I'll just
absolutely.
give you simple example. Like if we neglect our health, now what happens that when we are depressed and we are not feeling to eat, we are not in a mood of doing anything, our whole family gets affected. So our nutrition is the first thing, first priority that we should give to ourselves. And then we can, if we are fit, then we can easily tell our kids also, our husband also,
Mm,
that they can be taken care of. So but this is a misconception that people think that चलो हम अपना तो छोड़ देते हैं, we just take care of our kids and पहले हम husbands का देख लें, उसके बाद हमारी health आएगी. So that is a major problem. So it is
yes,
very important, if they take care themselves, तो अपने आप ही सब चीजें flow में हो जाती हैं.
I
That's the
know.
thing.
Absolutely. And what do you say? What are the major problems or concerns of all mothers in general that they're not able to lose weight? What are the major, reason क्या रहता है? What do you say?
First reason, so I've just told you, na, ki because people, mothers, they think that their priority is towards their husband and towards the kids. So what सबसे बड़ी mistake वो क्या करते हैं, they when they want to lose weight, they just stop eating. They don't
Mm,
eat, they starve themselves. कि ठीक है, टाइम ही नहीं मिला हमें, तो हमने कुछ भी नहीं खाया. And that is
mm,
why their body is getting और problems और complications आ जाती है. That is like gastric problems आपकी increase हो जाती हैं. Then other
mm,
problems also come because उसी की वजह से ना their body is weak, तो their iron level goes इधर उधर हो जाता है. Then comes the calcium level, bones में problem आने start हो जाती है because of these problems जो उनके साथ होता है. तो इसीलिए हमें अपनी बॉडी का पहले ध्यान रखना है. एंड ये प्रॉब्लम्स इसलिए आती है क्योंकि दे आर नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ इट. अब जो अगर
mm,
मैं बात करती हूँ लैब टेस्ट की, तो दे डोंट गो फॉर द टेस्ट इमीडिएटली. तो वो करते हैं कि 4-4 साल हो जाते हैं, दे डोंट केयर ऑफ देमसेल्व्स. ठीक है, हम टेस्ट करा लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं, सब चीजें सही चल रही हैं. एंड वन मेजर थिंग इज, अगर विटामिन डी लेवल भी आपका लो है, देन ऑल्सो यू डोंट लूज वेट. वो भी आपका एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न होता है, जो कि लोगों को नहीं पता होता. दे थिंक कि विटामिन डी ही तो लो है, इट्स ओके. बट वो आपकी इम्यूनिटी को भी लो करता है, और वेट लॉस भी आपका सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, जो आपका नहीं होता इफ यू आर लो इन विटामिन डी एंड आयरन लेवल ऑल्सो. तो इसीलिए अगर आपके जो इश्यूज आते हैं आफ्टर बर्थ, कि आप जो वेट गेन करते हो, दैट इज नॉट ओनली बिकॉज आप अपनी हेल्थ को निग्लेक्ट करते हो, बट बिकॉज आपकी कोई ना कोई डेफिशिएंसी भी होती है बॉडी में.
okay.
और साथ में आई हैव जस्ट सीन वन मोर थिंग कि द वुमेन आर फॉलोइंग, कोई जो ट्रेंड होता है ना कि चलो ठीक है, वो कीटो डाइट फॉलो कर लो, फैट डाइट्स फॉलो कर लो, सो वील लूज इमीडिएटली. बट कहीं ना कहीं वो इफेक्ट करता है आपकी स्किन को, हेयर को. आजकल हेयर लॉस भी इतनी जल्दी आता है, तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स, इसीलिए हेयर फॉल वगैरह तो वो अकम्पेंड होगा ही होगा इफ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग हेल्दी डाइट. दैट इज मोस्टली नीडेड.
let us come to the most important problem, or most important concern of all mothers: belly fat. How exactly to lose belly fat? Your weight is around your stomach. Your pouch
Yeah.
after the baby. How to lose that?
सो फर्स्ट थिंग तो बेली फैट क्यों आता है? बिकॉज आफ्टर सर्जरी व्हाट हैपेंस, द जो हार्मोन्स का आपका रिलीज होता है एंड जो आपका ओवरीज से अटैच होता है, सारी प्रॉब्लम्स दे कम अराउंड द स्टमक, क्योंकि वहीं पर आपका लोअर बॉडी पे ही आपका अटैच होता है. तो जो वो प्रॉब्लम आती है, देन वी डोंट डील इट परफेक्टली. तो वी आर फोकसिंग कि हम चलो कभी खाते हैं कभी नहीं खाते, मतलब वी आर डूइंग डाइटिंग ऑफ एंड ऑन. और साथ में हम एक्सरसाइज का बिल्कुल ध्यान नहीं रखते, बिकॉज द थिंग इज वी डोंट गेट टाइम टू एक्सरसाइज. तो सिर्फ बेली फैट, जैसे कई कहते हैं ना कि जस्ट डू एब्स और आपकी बेली फैट चला जाएगा, दैट इज नॉट ट्रू. तो वी हैव टू हैव बैलेंस डाइट ऑल्सो. हमें बैलेंस डाइट के साथ साथ हमें ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि वी हैव टू हैव अ प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइज रूटीन एंड प्राणायाम, ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वो हमें जरूर करना है, बिकॉज जब माइंड रिलैक्स होता है तो आपका स्टमक अपने आप ही सही से फ्लैट होने लग जाता है. बट हाँ, इट टेक्स टाइम. इट इज नॉट अ 1 day प्रोसेस और समथिंग लाइक दैट. इट टेक्स टाइम. तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा टाइम लगता है, बिकॉज वो बेली फैट जो है ना, बेली ही हमारा एक ऐसा ऑर्गन है जिसके अंदर आपका फैट बहुत जल्दी जमा होता है. तो वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट इट. तो इसके लिए हमें कई चीजें करनी पड़ती है, नॉट ओनली जस्ट एक्सरसाइज एंड दिस, एंड स्लीपिंग पैटर्न ऑल्सो शुड बी रेगुलेटेड. तो अगर आप सो रहे हो टाइम पे एंड यू आर नॉट स्ट्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ, तो दैट इज ऑल्सो अ केस कि आपको ब्लोटिंग कम होगी. स्ट्रेस इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड टू दीज थिंग्स. तो इसीलिए
That is also important. Okay, one major another thing. Once you lose weight, how to tighten up the skin? That is also, आपने lose तो weight कर लिया, but that saggy skin, it doesn't look, कोई फायदा नहीं है सिर्फ. So how to tighten that?
Yeah, I have seen this also कि after baby ना, तो girls generally lose 10 kg 20 kg, but they are not maintaining that, because उसके बाद क्या होता है, वो skin lose हो जाती है. And skin जब वो lose होती है, then they don't do a massages because they don't get time for that. तो एक तो massages हमारा बहुत important होता है for that tightening, and second important thing is exercise. तो वही, अगर आप दोनों चीजें साथ में कर रहे हैं तो टाइटन भी होगी स्किन, और साथ में आपको स्टार्व नहीं करना. That's why I'm saying कि अगर हम स्टार्व करके वो डाइट लेंगे तो स्किन लूज के साथ में इट गेट सैग्स ऑल्सो, सैगिंग ऑल्सो होती है. तो इसलिए हमें बीटरूट, हाँ, तो हमें बीटरूट है, आंवला है, इनके जूसेस लेने हैं ताकि आपकी बॉडी को और स्किन को भी न्यूट्रिशन मिले, बिकॉज आंवला इज वेरी गुड फॉर स्किन. तो वो आपको अगर आप अप्लाई भी कर रहे हो या फिर आप रॉ ले रहे हो, तो दैट इज गुड. आप उससे प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, रिंकल्स नहीं आएंगे स्किन पे इतनी जल्दी, because vitamin C is an anti-wrinkle also.
New. I always thought that amla is for immunity, and
But it has so many roles.
it has this is a very good pointer, I would say.
It has so many roles. मतलब आंवला का ना अगर हम सोचे तो it is for hair, for skin, तो skin tightening के लिए भी everything, मतलब आंवला plays a major role. So we have to consume it daily.
Okay, excellent. Okay, so one more thing, मतलब what is suggested diet, a simple diet or few pointers which can be actually followed in the long run to lose weight? What do you suggest being a dietitian?
Yeah, being a dietitian, I'll just suggest कि एक healthy balance pattern होना चाहिए. It should not be कि आप 2 meals आप भूखे रह रहे हो, just 1 meal you are having, या 1 meal में just I've just seen कि mothers क्या करती है कि they don't get time, तो they take only tea with biscuits और हो गया उनका. तो that is again वो आपका कहीं ना कहीं आपकी health को कहीं ना कहीं compromise कर रहा है. तो what I should suggest is 1 meal should be fruits अगर उनको weight lose करना है. अगर मेंटेन करना है then they can have 3 meals properly, no problem. But otherwise, if they want to lose weight, like your breakfast or your dinner, they can have mixed fruits with vegetable saute, so that their calorie count is again low. क्योंकि जब आपकी calorie count कम होगा and your vitamins and minerals are being enriched, तो उनका weight automatically drop होना start होगा. And second is कि आपका जो lunch time है, they should have a proper रोटी सब्जी. That means they should not compromise कि उसमें भी हम कुछ ऐसे ही खा लेंगे, चलते फिरते होता ना कि 1 चम्मच राइस खा लिया, 1 teaspoon पास्ता खा लिया, तो that should not be there. We should sit and have a proper meal. आपको 2 रोटी, चाहे मल्टीग्रेन रोटी ले रहे हो आप, मल्टीग्रेन रोटी है, वेजिटेबल है, कर्ड है, everything should be taken. मतलब you should not compromise on these things. दाल है तो दाल, lentils are very important role. तो वो अगर आप लेते हो पूरे दिन में कभी भी, like you can do one thing, जैसे एक simple, I'm just telling you the diet. अगर आप fruits या smoothie in the morning if you take, and then in the mid morning you can take a vegetable juice like beetroot, amla that I've told you, and then in the lunch time they can take the multigrain roti with the vegetable and curd, or with vegetable with dal. So dal and curd should not go together, क्योंकि वो क्या होता है, वो दो proteins when they go together ना, they are not absorbed properly by the body.
अच्छा.
तो वो कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम करता है, गेन कर सकता है वेट को. तो वन थिंग शुड बी टेकन केयर. एंड फिर उसके बाद आप यू कैन टेक योर ग्रीन टी ऑल्सो, और यू कैन टेक जस्ट वार्म वाटर आफ्टर 1 hour. And then your tea timers में tea with the biscuit or bhuna chana, makhana, this should be the right in that time. And if we talk about dinner, the dinner should be very simple, healthy, like your dalia you can take. There are so many options. So if you want to avoid roti, then it is okay. And some people are fond of chapati. There is no problem in taking chapati. Take 1 chapati at night with the vegetables or stuffed chapati. So these things can be taken. If somebody is non-vegetarian, they can take their fish or chicken or egg in the diet in the night. If they want to lose weight, just avoid carbs in the night. तो carbs के साथ आप protein मत mix करो. Just I've told you that also. कि fish ले रहे हो तो fish के साथ आप rice नहीं लोगे रात को, because then वो आपका convert कर देगा fat.
Lunch में ले सकते हैं.
Lunch में, because there is ample time that you can digest them. But dinner में, when you are eating and you have less time, then you are sleeping, so then there is a problem to digest that.
Okay, so I wanted to ask something. Since your approach is more of holistic and Ayurvedic kind, I would like to ask you some Ayurvedic tips for metabolic concerns like bloating. Mothers को generally रहता है बहुत bloating, acidity. So, some tips which will help mothers.
So, Shweta, this is a very nice question, and I want to answer this first. I want to tell that there are so many Ayurvedic body types. So we have body types like our Ayurvedic के हिसाब से, we have Vata in the body, then we have Kapha in the body, and Pitta is there in the body. So I'll just explain first these 3 things so that people can know कि what body type they must be having. So if there is a Vata body type में क्या होता है, there is a lot of thinking process going on. The sleepless is there, they are not able to sleep. The air is there, more component in the body. So they are thin also, but they gain weight because the air component increases in the body. So they get bloating because of that. When the bloating is because of the this reason, so what happens that their stomach gets bloated and they feel a lot of bloating overall on the body.
So air से bloating होता है, like air से bloating होता है, नहीं तो वात में air से, तो कैसे हो जाता है?
वो इसलिए होता है क्योंकि the Vata persons, they don't want to eat. When they are in the stress na, their eating reduces, and for a Vata person type, they need to eat some things. They need to continue eating in these short intervals, but small meals. If they are not eating and they, if they are not eating and if they are not eating and they are giving a gap of like 5 to 6 hours, then their bloating increases because there is nothing to digest, and that's why the air takes the place and you get bloated. People feel like they are not hungry and they don't want to eat food, and then also how are they gaining weight? So this is because of this. So they should have 2 hours they should have something to eat, so that their body digestive system is automatically working. And for Vata person, ghee is important. That I have told you also, like if you can take milk with ghee or something, raw ghee, so that will be soothing to the body, because Vata is dry body type. So that will be again causing problems. Then comes the second body type is the Pitta. So Pitta में भी bloating होती है because they have lots of gastric issues. उनका problem जो है constipation, gastric problems, acidity, that is because of Pitta. When Pitta increases, Pitta means heat. Heat when increases in the body ना, what happens कि वो digestion over digestion हो जाता है. तो वो जब ज़्यादा digest करता है, जो enzymes हैं वो ज़्यादा secrete होते हैं. So that's why they get problems. So उसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Mainly water should be taken care of. तो अगर आप water आप अच्छे से ले लो 10 to 12 glasses water, then it is soothing. Again, detox waters you can take. अगर आप detox waters लेते हो like chia seed water, lemon infused करके हम water में लेते हैं, these waters are very helpful for your Pitta component to be in balance. Then you can easily have less bloating, less acidity. So these are the problems. And even Vata people also need to drink water. It is not there कि आपको खाली Pitta वालों को ही लेना है. Vata also needs to be drinking water, but not in that quantity जितना आपको Pitta वालों को लेना होता है. Like Pitta वालों में अगर आप 15 glasses water लोगे तो then it is good. Vata वाले में अगर 10 भी है तो it is okay. It is like that.
So even that might.
And when we talk about third component, it is a Kapha component that I was talking about. तो Kapha में क्या होता है? It is like your cold, cough, these things come in your body. बिकॉज वो कफ कंपोनेंट आपका बॉडी में ज्यादा होता है. वाटर इज मोर इन द बॉडी.
Water
तो
is
वाटर की वजह से व्हाट हैपेंस कि बॉडी गेट्स ब्लोटेड अगेन. तो वाटर रिटेंशन ज्यादा हो जाती है. when the people wake up in the morning na, what they find, their eyes get swollen up, they get under eye, and overall na face आपका फूला हुआ होता है when they wake up. So this is all because of cuff component. So cuff भी तब होता है, people are not aware कि they are drinking too much water in the night. तो जब आप रात में बहुत ज्यादा पानी लोगे तो आपका वाटर कंपोनेंट अगेन बढ़ जाता है.
तो बाकी दोनों बॉडी ले सकती है रात को पानी का, मतलब
ले सकते हैं, लेकिन इतना नहीं. वाटर कंपोनेंट तो फिर भी बढ़ेगा, तो इतना नहीं. जैसे कई लोगों को I've just seen कि what they tell me कि they are in the office, they were not able to drink water, and when they are coming back to home after like 8 o'clock or something, they start drinking water. So and then they immediately got to sleep. So first thing what happens when you are drinking water late at night na, you have to wake up after 1 hour 2 hour to go to washroom. So that is again irritating. Your sleep is getting disturbed, and you're in the you're sleepy, so you're not able to pee properly. तो वो भी कहीं ना कहीं वाटर टेंशन के रीजंस होते हैं. तो वाटर शुड बी लिमिटेड टिल 8 or 9 o'clock, एंड देन यू शुड टेक जस्ट फॉर द थर्स्ट. कि आपको बहुत प्यास लग रही है तो देन जस्ट टेक अ 1 or 2 sips, बट इट शुड नॉट बी मोर कंज्यूम्ड एट दैट टाइम. तो उसकी वजह से ब्लोटिंग होती है. दैट वी कैन सॉल्व.
there are 3 body types and we have to eat accordingly, you know. So everybody out there can consult Dr. Preeti to, you know, to actually judge their bodies and take diets accordingly, you know, towards a holistic approach. So even mothers stop taking care of themselves and neglect themselves after babies. And as you said, they don't eat, you know, they have chai piya ho gaya, and diet plays a very, very important role. And so what do you suggest?
For
Final
them,
tips for mothers.
For final tip for mothers is first take care of yourself. अगर आप अपनी बॉडी को बिल्कुल हेल्दी रखते हो, then you are happy, you are taking care of your whole family, so you should be doing it. अच्छा, one more important thing that I haven't told you about कि जब हमने तीनों components करे आयुर्वेदिक के according, like वात, कफ and पित्त, तो वात में what helps you the most is the soft water or milk with ghee. These will help you out throughout. जब आप अपनी डाइट कर रहे हो तो these two things are good for your वात persons. For the पित्त persons, हाँ,
you said milk with ghee and
milk with ghee and soft water.
Soft water. So mothers out there, soft water is very, very important for bloating. Have soft water regularly, because that is the major concern area of most of the mothers out there. Your stomach is almost always bloated, and you know you want to lose that, your tummy, your belly fat, or your bulge. So have soft water daily. This is what Dr. Preeti says. And for pitt, what do you suggest?
पित्त के लिए मोस्टली होता है कि आप फ्रूट्स आप एक मील में जरूर रखो. लाइक 1 meal शुड बी फ्रूट्स. तो अगर आप मॉर्निंग का फ्रूट्स रख सकते हो, एंड देन 2 meals शुड बी योर नॉर्मल meals, जो आप अपना रोटी चपाती एंड देन योर पनीर और एनीथिंग लाइक इन प्रोटीन. बट देन वाटर इनटेक शुड बी मस्ट. उसमें आपका वाटर इनटेक बहुत जरूरी प्ले करता है रोल.
More water, as you said.
Detox waters are very good for that. Chia seed water हो गया, lemon soaked water हो गया. These are good for pit types. And अगर हम कफ की बात करते हैं तो कफ के लिए आपका मेनली जो भी अपनी गर्म चीजें होती है ना, लाइक वार्म जो रखती है बॉडी को, दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल इन दैट. तो अजवाइन इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर दैट. मेथी इज गुड बिकॉज दीज आर वार्म इन नेचर. तो
okay, so you should be having ajwain water and methi water. Okay. So
methi water also, or you can have, like in winters, you can have half teaspoon methi powder with the water. You can just gulp it. No need to have it soaking and all anything. So we can take it raw also. And one more thing, jeera water is beneficial. This is the water which is beneficial to all body types. For the vat also, pitta also, and kapha also. Jeera has all these benefits. So you can take that water also. So these type of things you can easily take. And one more water, dhania water. So dhania water is good for metabolism. When we talk about thyroid things, those women who are suffering from thyroid, they have hypothyroid. So if they take dhania water and they are just on the borderline, they can just cure it also. Matlab, some people don't increase it, their thyroid level comes in level because of this dhania water. So that also you can take.
Okay, so jeera water and dhania water can be taken by everyone, despite your body type. Soft water is excellent for bloating, as you say. and methi dana, and what one more thing, ajwain. You said it's
Ajwain,
very good for tough body type.
calf persons, yeah.
Asha, one more thing, I have a query. We just posted a story on Mostret story, and they were asking, how do you get to know what kind of body type you have? See, consulting a dietitian is one thing. General, a layman, how will she or he will, get to know कि मेरा body type क्या है, मुझे क्या suit करेगा?
That's why I've just told you ना कि एक तो ये तीनों चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. एयर कितना है कंपोनेंट में. इफ यू आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेस्ड कि आपको नींद जल्दी नहीं आती है, एंड यू आर मतलब यू आर अ पर्सन हु टेक स्ट्रेस वेरी इमीडिएटली, तो आपकी बॉडी टाइप में वात ज्यादा है. देन पित्त में होता है जब आपकी डाइजेशन इज स्ट्रॉन्गर, यू डाइजेस्ट एवरीथिंग, बट यू हैव कॉन्स्टिपेशन ऑल्सो, एसिडिटी इश्यू ऑल्सो, तो देन पित्त इज इंक्रीज्ड. एंड कफ में तो आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू कि अगर उनको सुबह उठ के लगता है कि रिंग्स टाइट हो गई है, या फिर फेस पे स्वेलिंग आ जाती है, तो दीज आर द थिंग्स. या फिर ओवरऑल जब सुबह उठते हैं तो वाटर टेंशन होती है, मतलब इन द सेंस वाटर वेट ज्यादा होता है, एंड आफ्टर 1 आवर दे फील कि उनका वेट ड्रॉप हो रहा है, तो दैट मीन्स अगेन उनका कफ है बॉडी में ज्यादा. बट फिर भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं ऐसी जो दैट व्हेन आई विल आस्क देम एंड व्हेन दे डू देमसेल्व्स, तो थोड़ा डिफरेंस आता है, बिकॉज I have to ask many questions when
I completely understand, but still these pointers are very important. मुझे अभी तक till this age I never knew what type of body am I. I always just think कैसे पता चलता है. And thanks to you, after consulting you, I realized, okay, what is my body type and what suits me. So this is very important. That is one thing, as a layman, everybody is like little spectacle to go dietitian. Obviously, everybody is seeing you here, and I'm talking, so you get a hitch निकलता है, and you realize कि okay, you can connect, and you can get to know. That is true. And
because if you know about your body type, na, your whole life is sorted, because then you will be able to understand ki what things will be suited to you. So you don't need to go to a dietitian again and again. मतलब एक होता है ना कि लोग बार बार जाते हैं कि what to eat, what not to eat. तो एक बार if you are going to a dietitian who knows all these things, Ayurvedic knowledge and everything, she tells you about everything about your body, then you can easily monitor in the long run also. Because you know about the tips and everything, so you'll be able to do it. So no need to go again and again to a doctor.
So for every mom out there, I would like to say, do consult Dr. Preeti, and you get to know your body type. Dieting is not just you're paying for 1 month or 2 months and usi time you lose weight. But actually, if you get a dietitian and who makes you understand your body, what is your body type, what is suiting you. So even after leaving the dietitian, you will be able to know, and you will be able to follow कि मुझे ये suit करता है, and which I think is very important. You cannot follow a dietitian all through your life.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
You cannot follow a dietitian for 5 years in a row. जब तक आप dietitian join करा है तब तक पतले. You need to understand your body. That is one very good thing about Dr. Preeti. She makes you and helps you understand your body. How your body reacts to certain things, what suits your body and what doesn't.
That always happens when I give them that, like the things that I'm giving you also, like we don't know in the starting that what things will be trouble for you and what things will be good for you. So when you do it, then only you get to know. But around 1 month or 20-25 days, you will be able to know your body perfectly. So you can do it. Like if somebody doesn't want to lose weight also, they just want to know which things are suiting them and how to maintain that also will work for them. So I think we should do that. Yeah, that is necessary for them.
So on a final note, even I wanted to ask, you are in the profession from last 16 years. So how do you look at the future or your future plans? How do you want to help your clients and everything?
Actually, Shweta, I just wanted to answer this. First, when I started this thing, I was with Dr. Shikha Sharma. So I was there with her 1.5 years and did my training and job with her. And then when I conceived and I have a baby, so then after that only I started my own thing. But because I was not so passionate at that time, I wanted to expand my business and everything. I was very I want to be oriented with my children, my family. So I was just taking the clients with the reference and everything. No? So when they come, they used to refer people. But now when I'm free, like my child is sorted, everything is good. Now I just want that it should be spreading, because people should know about themselves. And when they have done one time, so then they get attached to me. So there's no problem if anybody is left. एक होता है एक दो जने जैसे यहाँ से Instagram से they have just approached me and they have just left it. उसके बाद भी just they keep on messaging me कि this is good or not. So I keep on replying because I want that their health should be priority. So I want that everybody should get this chance. So I want to help people so that they can know each their problems, and I want to grow as a dietitian. Just say I want like my name should be there, that as people should know me.
Absolutely.
That
It
is
will
the
be there.
basic thing.
Super.
Otherwise, I don't have ऐसे big dreams. I don't keep. But I know कि अगर इतना भी लोगों को पता चलेगा तो they must be consulting sometime, so they will know about their body. So that is my dream.
Thank you
Not
so
big
much.
dreams.
One final tip for the viewers I would like to ask you.
So final tip for the viewers, as we all know that our viewers at this time may be more moms, all the moms. So I'll just tell you that first get fit by yourself, and if you are fat also, I'm just not saying कि आपको weight ही कम करना है, that is a different issue. But if you're fat also or thin also or medium body type, every body type is good. You should be positive about your body. So positivity should be there in your body. You should not see that your body is what is the type of the body, and will the clothes will not look good on me. So this should not be there ever. So you should always accept your body and work on it. But एक होता है ना कि हम बहुत जल्दी वो गुस्से में आ जाते हैं कि we are not losing weight and we just leave everything and we start eating मतलब होता है ना unhealthy चीजें. So that should not be there. So patience is a key. Patience हमें रखना है, and we have to have a proper healthy balanced diet. So this is the key that we should follow.
So it is like have patience and be confident with yourself. Thank you so much, Dr. Preeti, for joining us for Moms Ready Time. Pleasure having
very
you.
much.
Any
questions we have?
Very important. I just asked you a question. We had a question. I think a lot of things, but I think so. I seem to have missed something. Nothing as of now.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay.
So if there are any questions, they can leave in the comment. We can answer them later also.
So anybody, if any one of you have any queries or questions or doubts regarding your body type, your weight loss journey, or as a mother, your little how to go about it, you can connect Dr. Preeti, and she's all there to help you.
Not a problem. Yeah,
Thank you so much.
It was my pleasure.
It was a pleasure having you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks everyone for joining in. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.